know that feeling, right? When you are watching a product demo and it's just kind of dry,
Right.
uh, less wow, this cool, and more like a lecture that you have to sit through.
Absolutely. Like we have all been there. Like you just wish there was a shortcut to really understand what the product does without all the fluff. And
Yes,
today, that's exactly what we are diving into.
sounds interesting. So, what's the big idea?
So we are talking about how AI is reshaping product demos and sales
Mhm.
engagement, especially a tool called DemoDazzle that we have built. It's aiming to make
Absolutely.
demos more
So
dynamic.
it was a nice, it has been a nice journey building DemoDazzle, right?
Right. It has been a great effort and great research. Yes.
Good. So,
So
yeah, go ahead. Please go ahead, please.
so I was saying like it's aiming to make demos more dynamic, interactive, and even enjoyable.
Absolutely. So, okay, but before we get into tech, why are demos so important, and how do they tie into bigger sales and marketing picture?
Right. So great place to start. So sales marketing is all about like aligning marketing efforts with sales goals. It's the
Hmm.
bridge between awareness and decision making. So the aim, like what you think is like it's drive visibility, attract quality leads, and improve conversions, and basically just lifts overall performance.
Makes sense. But with all the noise out there, how do businesses even
Mhm.
stand out? What are the major hurdles?
Right. So competition is intense, like especially in crowded markets. Everyone's offering something similar, and on top of that, keeping your
Mhm.
message is consistent across platform is tough. A disjoint message confuses customers and it dilutes your brand.
Okay, so what I believe is like that is where, I mean, that is how we have actually how we have designed Demo Dazzle, right? So that it kind of cuts through this noise, right, and
Correct.
delivers the
Yes.
right message.
Yes.
Good.
So yes. So DemoDazzle helps create interactive demos using AI.
Mhm.
So it basically records
But
user
then
actions.
it's not just limited to demos, I mean, we'll actually touch upon that subject later on, but it
Correct.
caters to onboarding and trainings as well.
Yes. So all sorts of presentations and all sorts of sessions, like live sessions, that
Right.
can be handled through DemoDazzle.
Good. Good. Please go ahead.
So so in DemoDazzle, basically you can either like record through our Chrome extension or you can just upload your PDF and create an
Mhm.
assistant, like AI avatars that can help the viewers in real time. So it's more than just showing a screen. It's about creating an engaging experience.
Great. So that certainly sounds not sounds. I mean, that is like a virtual tour guide for the
Right.
software, right?
Hmm.
And not limited to software, though. I mean, you can actually use any PDF and whatnot, right? And create walkthroughs or presentations. But
Right.
can it get too complex for users?
No, no. We have thought of that. It's designed to be simple for creators. You just
Mhm.
record your clicks using our Chrome extension, just like how I explained right now, and or just upload your presentation in a PDF format. Like as you go, you just add your script explaining what's happening in each slide, step by step, and then AI
Okay.
will handle the rest of it.
Right. So you have your click path and voice scripts. So where
Correct.
does the AI avatar come in?
So for that, I will just show you a demo right now. So
Uh-huh.
1 second.
Let's do it.
Yeah. So I have a presentation ready for sales. So I will just show it to you once. I will
Mhm.
load it here and select
So you're uploading a
my
PDF, right?
correct. So I have selected my sales marketing PDF and I will just show it to you what's the PDF about. Let
Mhm.
it render first.
Okay.
So here it is, like sales marketing presentation with
Okay.
slides like introduction and current market trends and benefits of effective sales marketing. Then
It
key
was an
components.
easy PDF upload, and
Yes.
uh, so now we have frame by frame, uh,
Right.
which we can see it here, right?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
good.
So we have a couple of more slides. So what we will do is we will just click on confirm and wait
Hmm.
for it to be uploaded. Now, what we need is we will have to be ready with a script for each slides. So I will just click
That is
edit.
so that script will be utilized by the AI avatar to talk about it, right?
Correct. Yes. So
Okay.
for now, I will just name it sales marketing presentation
Hmm.
and click on ready. And for the each slides, right now what we will do is we will just take help from ChatGPT. So I will
Okay.
come here. I have already shared the details. Like here's a single line presentation. Like I have shared the PDF and I've asked for the script, and
So this
here it
is
is.
this is an interesting thing. We can actually for the whole PDF, at once we can actually generate the narrative,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
So
So we
what was
will
the
take help
prompt?
from it. Yeah,
Can
the
we have a
prompt
look
is
at the
very
prompt?
simple. Yes, please generate a single line presentation script for each slide. And it
Good.
gave me like the script for each slide after analyzing my PDF. So we will just take help from it and we can just copy and paste. So let's start with
Hmm.
this.
Okay.
So it's about introduction of to sales marketing. So we will just drop it to our first page.
Hmm.
And now for the second one, it's about the definition and goals. So we will
Hmm.
come back here and see like where they have explained about the goals and definitions. So here it is. So I can just copy from here and then paste it here. And similarly, I will do it for all the other slides.
Yes.
I will just quickly
Sure.
do it once.
Yep. Please do.
And
And while you are doing this, we can highlight specific
correct.
locations as well, right? Yeah.
Yes.
I
So
mean, I
for
mean, yeah,
example,
please. Yes.
yes. So for example, let's say in this slide we have a chart, right? And we
Hmm.
want to talk about a specific point. So we can just click on insert element, click on
All right.
arrow, and we can just adjust it how we like. And even if we want to like specifically highlight this area, so what we will do, we will just click on overlay and it will
Okay.
just make sure that this point is like visible
All
and
right.
highlighted. We can adjust the size of the box, we can rotate the box, and we can do all sorts of
Hmm.
customization. And this will make sure that when the viewer is watching, they will tend to view here.
Yeah.
So for
Can you
now, I
just
will
bring the
just,
yeah, can you just bring the arrow closer? Right.
yeah,
Good.
right, just
And
like
can
this.
we can also add a text on the screen, right?
Correct, correct. So we can just use a text box again,
Uh-huh.
drag and customize, and something like related to this point, like um, it like we can do
You can just say that it dipped here again.
number of number of
Or
sales or something like this,
okay,
and
fine.
that's done. So
And
just
we
like
can
this, we
actually
have just customized our slide.
all right. And can we also change the colors and stuff like that?
Yes, we can just choose from here like the all sort range of colors. We can even
Mhm.
change the font and the color of the text as well. So yeah, we can customize it.
All right. Okay. Please go
Right.
ahead.
So I'm done with the description for each slide. So as you can see, like I've
That
added
that was quick, Anvik.
yes. So I've added short descriptions for each slide. So what I will do now is just click on done
Mhm.
and wait for it to generate.
Mhm.
Okay. So that's done. So now we will move ahead and create a new assistant. So
So essentially,
just
we created the demo flow, which is
correct
nothing but we uploaded the PDF,
presentation. Yes.
added content to each slide, and
Mm-hmm.
now we are going to associate it with an assistant.
Correct.
Okay.
So in total, we have three types of assistant. One is like how this 3D avatar is like a little cartoonish for more newer generation, and then we
Mhm.
have static avatars like where the character will not speak; it will just be there, represent you or your
Mhm.
brand. And then
Okay.
there's third one, which is realistic avatar. We have what we have done is we have integrated with DID and 11 Labs, which helps us in generating real faces and real voices. So
Okay.
now I will show you how to create our third one, which is the realistic avatars. So just
Mhm.
click on add assistant, and here you will see a form with few fields. I will just explain it to you what it is. So assistant name
Sure.
is just what you would like to call the assistant. So for now, let's just call Daisy
Hmm.
sales expert. Okay. And if you want, we
Okay.
can choose a background image. So I will just choose a plain background image that I have.
Hmm.
Just it's similar to how we use it in Google Meet and Zoom meetings. So you can just put a
Sure.
background image with your own branding and everything.
Hmm.
So I have just chosen a simple picture. And then in the training information, you have to provide the details about your presentation. This information will be used by the AI to help the viewer for like helping in answering the questions. So I have already generated a training information from ChatGPT. I will just copy that and I will paste it here. So you are a sales marketing expert AI trained to assist users in understanding and applying sales marketing strategies.
All
You
right. I
must
think
provide
so. You can actually provide around 8,000 characters, right?
correct, yes.
Okay.
So you can
Okay.
explain about your SaaS applications features and everything. So all sort of
Yeah.
training
Anything.
can be
I
done
mean,
here.
like not just SaaS, but I mean, whatever the presentation is about, you can actually provide all the information, right?
Right. And
It can be, it can be pretty much in explaining about your company,
correct,
right?
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
All right.
And in the introduction part, what we will do is just add a very short greeting, just like this, like welcome. Today we will explore how aligning sales and marketing drives stronger growth and better results. Now, moving to the exit trigger. So
So we
it's an
can add
option.
something like, hi, I'm Daisy and whatnot. We can put that,
Yes.
right?
So
Yeah.
we can do
All
it
right.
like welcome. I am Daisy,
Daisy.
like
All
this.
right.
Okay.
Fine.
And then there is exit trigger, which is an optional step. So it's just opens a pop-up at the end of the session, which can help the viewer to redirect to your application. So just for
Okay. Or
example,
it
if
could
I
be a landing page or, you know,
correct,
calendar link, whatever link you want to provide, you can do that,
yes,
right?
yes. For
Okay. Got it.
example, for now, if I want them to come to DemoDazzle.com, I will just add the link here and to check the preview. This is how it will look like. Interested in our application? Click the button below to visit our application and explore its features. In case you are providing your calendar link, you can change this text to something else, like you can do
Book an
book a
appointment or something.
book a meeting, and when we click, you can see it changed to book a meeting,
All
right?
right.
So for now, I will just remove this because it's not needed right now. I will just click on
Mhm.
next, and for module name, we will do sales
Sales marketing.
marketing, and we will choose the presentation we just created. So I will choose
Okay.
this,
It's very
and
straightforward. So far, it is easy.
yes, now I've chosen my presentation. Now I will
Mhm.
click on next, and in the FAQ section, again, I will just ask ChatGPT to generate few for me, and I have done that already. So it's now what is the difference between sales and marketing? So I will just
Mhm.
copy that, and I can just copy the answer as well. So this just helps, like if you already have a few FAQs about your presentation that you know that the viewer will ask, you can just put them here so that
Or
the
may
AI,
ask. Right.
yeah. So in that case, the AI will be very accurate with the answers you have provided.
Okay.
So I will just add two for now.
Mhm.
I will
Sure.
just add them again. I will copy
Are you
this
adding
as
on the
well.
screen? I cannot see where you are adding.
Yes.
Oh,
So what I have done is I have in the FAQ section, I have just pasted both the FAQs, and now we will move ahead. So here we have the three options. One is 3D avatar, one is static avatar, and one is realistic avatar, which you can see is moving around. So I will
sure.
click this one.
So how did you? Oh, okay. This is just a placeholder, right? Like you can
Correct.
actually choose it. Okay, good, good,
Yes.
fine.
Yes. So for now, I will upload an image. So I have one image ready with me. So I will choose that. And while it's loading,
So
we
you can
can,
actually upload your image or.
Yes, you
but
can
you should
upload
not be
your own
using it.
image as well.
Right, right.
Yes,
You should not be using a celebrity's image though, right? Because
correct,
I
because
mean
you will
that
need permission to use the
yeah,
image.
and that's not fair. You should not have a permission.
Right. Yes.
Good.
So we will choose a voice, and since we need a female voice for this, we will just do a filter here.
So you can actually filter. Okay, good,
Yes.
good.
So let's see if this one is good.
The years teach much which the days never know.
Seems nice. I will just choose this one.
Mhm.
Click on submit, and we have a fallback voice as well. Like in case your credits run out, like your DID credits are not
You mean
like
okay, DIV. Yeah, all right.
yes. So in that case, you can just choose a different voice.
Welcome to DemoDazzle. How may I help you
And
today?
and we have a different video to configure DID and
Correct. Yeah. I will
agent,
just
right?
link it up here. You can just click from the tab above
Sure.
and then you can
Started.
see that video as well. So we
Okay.
are ready or we are all ready. So I will just click on save and we will wait for the assistant to be created. Right.
Mhm.
So if I see our AI is ready, and in future, if you ever have to change the presentation or maybe change the training information or even add few FAQs, or let's just say you just want to change the look of your AI, you can do that as well by just clicking on the edit button of each step. You can come here, change the training information, or maybe add some details or change
Mhm.
the assistant introduction. Anything you want to change, you can do that. Similarly, if you want to link more presentations to the same AI, you can do that as well by coming here and
And
just click on
adding
the,
more
yeah,
models.
click on add
Good.
module and add your details. And again, if I go ahead and click on FAQ, you can similarly add more
Add more
FAQs as well.
models.
Yes.
Good.
And just like that, click on avatar and video. You will see the details you have chosen before and you can change that. And
And we
even,
can actually, so if we have actually chosen the realistic avatar the first
mhm,
time, can we
yes.
fall back to the static or
Right. Yes.
the the
You can.
the other avatar, say
Yes, we can
cartoonist?
switch between any of these
Yeah.
anytime you want.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Good. Very good.
Right. And even if your presentation has like you want to change the script in the presentation, even after linking it with the assistant, you can do that too. There is no problem with that. You can just come back here, edit it,
Hmm.
change whatever you want, or maybe add some highlights, just like how we showed you before. And
And then
again,
just updates.
yes, just update it
Okay.
and then your avatar will be ready. So let's just see the preview of what we just created.
So are we done? I mean, are we done with
Yes,
the presentation? Oh,
yes,
that's
that
so
was
quick.
very simple.
That's very
Yes,
quick. Yeah.
right. We will
Good.
watch the preview. And during the preview, if we have chosen multiple modules, we can choose between all of them or maybe just select few of them. So we have given
Sure.
that preference. Now we will click on preview and let's see.
Welcome, I am Daisy. Today we'll explore how aligning sales and marketing drives stronger growth and better results.
So that was our introduction.
Intro.
Very smooth
Hmm.
and very realistic. Now
Good.
moving ahead.
Let's begin by understanding how sales marketing connects customer awareness to purchase decisions. Sales marketing is all about aligning marketing strategies with sales goals to guide potential customers toward a purchase.
I'm loving it.
Digital and social media marketing have become non-negotiable for reaching and converting modern audiences. Done right, sales marketing means more revenue, faster conversions, and stronger customer loyalty. Market research helps us understand our customers better and create strategies that truly resonate. Social media campaigns amplify visibility and engagement with laser-focused targeting. In crowded markets, standing out and staying consistent across channels is a major challenge. Technology like automation and e-commerce tools help personalize and streamline our efforts. By aligning with tech and trends, sales marketing becomes a powerful driver of business growth. Thank you for being part of this session.
So that was the end
Very
of our
good.
session. So if you
All
have
right.
any doubts or if you want to ask something, you can just do that. So let's
And
try.
not just that, we can actually ask questions in between as well, right?
Correct.
So
Yes.
yeah.
So let's just ask like how can we improve sales? Let's see what it answers. So
Mm-hmm.
now it's thinking, right? And
Okay.
To improve sales, start by understanding your target customers and their needs. Align your marketing messages to address those needs clearly. Use data to identify your best performing channels and focus your efforts there. Build strong relationships through personalized communication and follow-up. Offer incentives like discounts or bundles to encourage purchases. Also, leverage automation tools to nurture leads consistently and efficiently. Finally, regularly analyze your sales data to spot opportunities and refine your strategies.
that was it.
Very
So
good.
that was very smooth, very fast, and
Yeah,
realistic too.
absolutely. And how do we actually share? Can you show like
Sure.
how to share, right? And two things actually, how to share and where do we see the stats?
Correct. So to share it with people, what you have to do is just to like, let's see, we have multiple assistants, right? And you have to share
Mhm.
this one. Just click on new session and give it a name. So for example, if I have to share it with you, I will just share, give your name, choose the modules I want to show to you, and click on create. This will give me a unique link. I will copy this and then I can just share it with you, like however we are having a conversation, and you can
Good.
then view that. And based on how you viewed the session, you can just come to our dashboard and click on the link and see for the, like for example this one, if I click on modules, we can see how many times they viewed the module, and for
Mhm.
what was the duration, like how much did they watch, and when was it accessed, and whether they like clicked on the exit intent or not. So all these details you can see it here.
And who watched it? That is specific to the
Yes,
shares, right?
because since I have shared the link with you and it's restricted to only one person. So whenever
Yeah.
they view, you can see the yeah. Okay.
Right. And it makes sense as well because we when we share this kind of demonstrations, it's not a mass demonstration, it is for
Correct.
specific people, right?
Yes. Yes.
Good, good. All right. Good, fair
And
enough.
if they have
And
if they have provided any feedback, you can see that here as well. Like if they have provided their name and email, you can see that. And if they haven't provided any feedback, it will be visible here since it's an optional step. So that's why it's not here. Otherwise, whatever details they have provided to you, you can see it here.
good, good. And also we can actually make it, we can have role-based access, correct?
Correct. So for that, what we will need is an elite plan where we provide the role-based action in our elite plan. So you can just create multiple roles, and while we are sending the session, you can just choose from the roles you have selected.
Maybe we can actually keep it for another session, just
Right.
to explain
That's
the
for our
elite
next
plan
episode.
itself, right? Yeah,
Yes.
elite plan and maybe like the enterprise plan. Let's
Correct.
discuss about it in another session, probably the next session.
Right.
All right,
Definitely. Yes.
good, good, good. That's uh, really nice. Personalization at scale. That's powerful, right? But do they
Right.
plan to replace human sales representatives entirely?
No, not at all. It's not about replacement. DemoDazzle handles initial interactions, questions, and explanations. It frees up human reps to focus more on the deeper conversations with closing the deal.
Got it. So how does this actually impact sales goals? Does it really deliver?
Yes, it allows companies to replicate their best sales rep explainer and scale it. You can
Mm.
deliver personalized demos 24/7, and this can improve lead quality, increase conversion rates, and shorten sales cycle.
Yeah, and with the realistic avatar, it's like the explanations are accurate, right?
Right. Yes.
And it's like it's repetitive. I mean, the same quality is
Mm-hmm. Right.
there always.
Yes.
There's no reason why someone should actually wait for a specific time. They can
True.
actually have a
True.
look at it at any time they wish. Good. So now we did touch upon the analytics, but
Correct.
can you give some more insights?
Yeah. So one second. Yeah, so one standout is that repeat module stat. Like I'll just show it to you once again. Like if we come here and I show you this one, so we can see like what was the repeat count, like whether they watched this module like multiple times and what was the
Mhm.
duration was. So that helps in like gaining the analytics, like which part of our demo is like grabbing the most attention. And
Good.
like then there is, it tells you which part of the demo people rewatch. That's gold. Like you can fine
Mhm.
tune unclear sections, or like
Correct.
highlight popular details. And watch time, direct feedback, and whether users visited your app after the demo, all of that feeds back into smarter campaigns and better product decisions.
Good. Good. That's powerful.
Great.
That's powerful. So it's scalable for any business. That's good to hear. So
Mhm.
wrapping up, what's your final takeaway?
So tools like DemoDazzle represents how AI is transforming sales marketing. They are boosting engagement, providing smart analytics, and simplifying the demo process. It's about helping business connect better and grow faster.
And maybe, even say goodbye to boring demos. That is what you started with, right?
Exactly. Yes. As AI avatars become smarter, the line between personal touch and automation is shifting. The question is how will we redefine connection and service in this AI era?
Something to think about for sure.